can the Y just attach to this?
No. I would have to cut this here and then cut your arms here so I can fabricate from the Y and fabricate 2 pipes to connect to your tips so they can hold there. And then of course the hangers that I would have to put in there so everything holds back to that same height.
The reason why I'm saying this is because I need to remove that arm in order for me to get to, there's an AdBlue tank in the back, so I need to remove all that. So I need to, at some point,
this hanger,
yeah,
which is this bolt,
yeah,
and this bolt.
yeah.
Same thing on the other side, and then unbolt those two and take down whatever you're gonna take down.
But my question is why can't it use the same clamp here? Would it not fit, or?
So
is
you want me to keep the clamp? Is that all you want to do? Just keep.
yeah, I think keep the clamp and
Okay,
then.
so I'm gonna cut it in front of the clamp, and then you can keep the clamp on there.
Yeah,
Disconnect your
and then
tips
you can weld. Yeah, then I think that would be better for me. Okay, let's do it then. Yeah. How long will it take?
Okay. Gotcha. I don't have that specific Y pipe though.
Oh, which white pipe are you using?
It's the same. It's gonna be the same type
Can I
of Y
see?
pipe that's gonna end the same result.
Can I see? I don't know. This is my first time getting all this done. So, is this 2.5?
Yes, sir. Okay.
And the pipe will be 2.5. Perfect. Let's do it. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.